G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Today is episode 99 and we are making the Margarita. And to celebrate our new range that's releasing very soon, our Bloom collection, we're serving it up in the Bloom Unbreakable Rocks glass. So let's get started. Okay, so what you're gonna need for today, some tequila, you're gonna need some Cointreau, some fresh lime, a juicer, Jigger, hawthorn strainer, a shaker. We're using our glass rimmer today. You can just use a plate at home if you like. And I think that's everything. So let's hook in. All right, first thing you need to do, grab your small shaker. And we're gonna load it up with some ice. We're gonna pour 45 mils of your tequila into the shaker. Next one is 30 mils of Cointreau. And about 15-20 mils of fresh lime. So you can either measure that or you can put it directly into your shaker, but we might measure it out today. So it works out to be perfect, half a lime. Now, because we're doing what's called a dump margarita today, which essentially you load up your rocks glass with ice, and then we're going to serve the margarita over the ice. So give that a good shake. And you know what I'm going to do, because I actually forgot, is I'm going to rim the glass first. So what you do, you're going to run the lime around the outside and we're going to salt the rim, like so. And now we're going to load it up with some ice and we'll strain the margarita over the top. And to garnish, we're just going to put a little piece of fresh lime on the side and a straw. And there you have the margarita. Enjoy.